Hello everyone, today we'll be fixing my Acer Aspire laptop. As you can see, when I open the laptop, uh, the hinges are broken, so the hinges won't come off properly. So I have to literally hold it on the side, and you can see that even the right is coming off because of the left side. So we're going to be replacing the hinges with new ones and making sure that everything works. So first we'll start opening the brazel or this plastic outside part of your computer. When you're opening it, you just pop it out. This was easy, but make sure that there's no wires stuck to the brazel. So you want to make sure that your finger is with it every step of the way, so that you can make sure that it doesn't rip out any of the wires. Okay, just take it out, both sides. Now, this came out. Okay, now after you've done that, so now I'm gonna turn the computer belly up and just take out all of the screws carefully. You have to make sure that you know where each individual screw goes, because some screws have different sizes. So I'm gonna take this my screwdriver, and I'm gonna take the Phillips head, and I'm just gonna take out each individual screw. Now that you have your computer back open, you're gonna wanna pry the sides out so that you have access to the bottom. After prying your laptop open, you're gonna turn the lid again and just try to take it off. You might have to re-pry it, but that would be fine. Just like small parts. And as you can see, there's a wire attached to it. So you're gonna wanna be very careful with this. You can see I took out this, the old hinge. It's not even working properly. Like if you compress it, it's super hard to compress. We just slid it out and then just slid the new one back in. And now I'm gonna put the screws in it to fix it again. So, here. Be very careful, you don't want to hit any of these parts. I did it once and that was a bad mistake to do. All right, now we're just gonna do it for the other side too, so there's a screw on this side here that you have to remove. So that you can get the hinge out. As you can see, we got the screw out and we got this part out. Now we're gonna replace it with a new part. So I attached the screws to the hinges and I'm going to be putting the cover back on the computer. Now I'll flip over to see how the computer looks like. So do this very carefully. So to put these hinges in position, we're going to take out all 4 screws, and yeah, let's start. So I had some technical difficulties for this part. The place where the screws should have gone, it was broken off. The plastic was broken off, and if I wanted to fix it the proper way, I would have to replace this whole lid altogether, which I didn't have. So instead, I just kept some Gorilla Glue and put some duct tape on the sides to keep the hinges stuck to the lid. So now after this, we're gonna just put this back, your LCD screen back on top, and just fix everything. So I'm just gonna be keeping back the screws in. So as you can see here, there's 3 screws, but all of these screws cannot be attached to the lid of the desktop because the desktop lid is broken again. And like again, I said previously that in order for me to fix these properly, I need to buy a new desktop lid. So instead, I duct taped the bottom again to secure it in place. So after this, you're gonna take your brazel and you're just gonna slide it back in. So just like here, right here, and just press on the edges. After that, you're gonna press on the sides of your computer to make sure that it's closed. Remember how we pried it open? You want to make sure that now you close it down and make sure that the computer is attached to all the pries. Then you're just gonna slowly and gently close your computer. As you can see, it's nice and easy. And you're gonna put the screws back in on the back side. So I'm gonna be doing that now. This might be the last screw. Yeah, we're done. Thank you for watching the video. Now, if you could see, laptop, even though still it's not, good to open, it still works. At least it works now. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again.